Hello friends, welcome to our channel. So today we are going to have a look at how to do an adjustment for the naked call options. Okay, so one of my friend have shorted 11,000 call option of August month expiry at the price of 142 rupees. Okay, so since market has started moving higher, so right now Nifty is in the bullish mode. This 11,000 call option have been increased to the 291 rupees. Okay, so right now here's one lot of sold 11,000 call option is at the loss of 11,175. Okay, so he have shorted at the 142 and it's in the point of 291 now. So let's look at how much point he have lost it. So 291 minus 142, which is 149 rupees, is in the loss for one lot as of now. Okay, so we are going to have a look at an adjustments for that. Okay, so how to do an adjustments. So let me show you guys. So right now it is in the 291, but he shorted at the price of 142 and it's in sell position. Okay, so I have chosen August month. Okay, I will show you the payoff graph of initial naked sell of call options. So since you have collected 142 rupees as a premium from the 11,000 call option, so his break even is 11,142. So till that, if the Nifty expires below this 11,142 on the expiry day of August, then he will be in the profit. But right now it is Nifty is moving, so he thought like Nifty might move above this level, above this break-even level, so he needs some adjustments to do that, so that he can come out of this trade without any loss, and he can, if possible, even he can earn some profits. Okay, so what I have suggested him to do is I suggested him to short that 11,000 or 10,900 put option. Okay, so since I'll be showing guys the 10,900 put option. Okay, so which is trading at the point of 315. Okay, so this is an position now. So now here you can see that initially we had our upside break even of 11,142 and now we have moved our break even to 11,457. So we have almost moved around 300 points on the upside. So here you can see the payoff graph now. So this is like we have converted our naked call option into one short strangle. Okay, so now he got a wider break even points. So if at all Nifty is expiring anywhere between this level, then he will be getting the good profit. Okay, so even so his initial max profit is only 10,000, since he have shorted only one lot at 142. So now you can see that the max profit has been moved to 34,000 if Nifty is expiring anywhere between 10,900 and 11,000. Okay, so even if the Nifty is moving upside, so here you can see that he'll be getting the profit till the point of 11,457. So now we have moved our break even point to like around 300 points on the upsides, and initially it was no downside risk, but now we have some downside risk also. But again it is like having more than 500 points, around 500 points. So since Nifty is at the level of 10,900 and we are having the downside break even at 10,443, which is like 550 points downside risk. Okay, so let's look into an Greek of this. So here you can see that if you look at the Greeks, so this is right now like almost delta neutral. So you can see this delta is like 0.016 side. So even if Nifty is moving somewhere like 150 points either downside or upside, we are not going to lose much, as it's in the delta neutral as of now. Okay, so he need to hold it till expiry so that he can get the max benefit of this adjustments. So further adjustment, even if this have gone wrong, then let's assume that Nifty is moving above 10,500 also, then what he can do is he can roll up this put option. If Nifty is moving on the upside, then he should book the profit from this 10,900 put. As Nifty is moving upside, this put option will will start giving him a profit. So he should roll up this position, roll up this put option on the upsides, so that he can even further move his break even points on the upside. And if Nifty started falling, then he can roll down his call option, and he should not do any he should not touch the put option if it is moving down, and don't touch the 11,000 call option if it is moving upside. So if it is moving upside, only roll up your put option, and if it is moving downside, then roll down your call option, so that we can further shift our break even points. Okay, so let's assume on certain place Nifty is moving very violently, and it is crossing this 11,500, and it turned ultra bullish, and we thinking that market will move even further 200-300 points upside. Then if it is on upside, then what you can do is you can create one bull credit spread. Okay, bull call credit spread, so that if market is moving upside and if it is not coming down, then you will be going to get the premium from your bull put credit spread. Sorry, okay, so I have mentioned that. So bull credit spread, you can do it if it is market moving upside, and if it is moving downside, then create one bear credit spread. Okay, so if you have doubt about what is a bull credit spread or bear credit spread, we have uploaded some videos in our channel as well, so please do go through that. And even we can do these adjustments in such a complicated way, so that means like people can think that okay, option adjustment is this much hectic or something else. Okay, so I would suggest you guys to keep it as a simple. So this is like what we have done is we just simply shorted only one put option, and we can see that our break even have been moved like 300 points on the further upside. Okay, so I would suggest you, and I would request you guys to keep the option adjustments as an simple things. Okay, so that even if something goes wrong, then even for doing further adjustments, we can do it simple way. So if you guys do it with some 4-5 leg strategies, then it will become little bit mess to do the further adjustments. Okay, so we need to work on that. To do further adjustments, we need to do multiple calculations to come out of that trade without any losses. Okay, so this is one simple strategy, friends. So we have converted our naked call options into one short straddle, and even if it further goes wrong, then we can convert it as an short straddle by moving this put option 100 points upside, and after that, even if it's going further upside movement, then we can even create some short straddle at the level of 11,200 or 300, whatever, or we can do some credit spreads. Okay, so this is some simple adjustments. So hope you guys like this video, and also I request you to join our Telegram channel. Also follow our Twitter ID. So this is my Twitter handle. Okay, so where I used to post most of the trade ideas or option strategies or option adjustments, whatever we do. Okay, so thanks for watching, friends, and please do subscribe to our channel, and also click on the bell icon. So thanks for watching, friends.